There was a parrot who told tomorrow's weather. Every morning when Percy the Parrot woke up, he would look out his window and say, "Tomorrow it will rain." And every time he was right, the townspeople would come to Percy for weather reports. "Will it be sunny tomorrow?" they'd ask. And Percy would look out his window and say, "Tomorrow it will be sunny," which it always was. One day, Percy said, "Tomorrow there will be a rainbow." And the next day there was a beautiful rainbow in the sky. The Midnight Animal Club was baffled. Was Percy the Parrot magical? How was he so smart? They decided the only way to find out was to ask him. So one night they set up a trap. They put a hat on Percy's cage and said, "Hey Parrot, where's the magic in your hat?" But Percy just stared at them and said, "You're not gonna believe this, but I'm not magical. I'm just a great listener to the wind." And with that, he blew his cover and flew away.